Greetings, family. I made it to the green yards, so you all get to see the beautiful garden where I interviewed the two sisters and they talked about the green yard. This is what they have, y'all. I also have some pictures on a community post. Be sure to check the pictures. You'll get some live feed for some of the beautiful things that are growing here in the garden. It's just amazing. It's really beautiful. You get to see, you know, all the beautiful hands that are taking part of this and making this happen so that we, look at this with the sun. I love this, how they use the bottles on the tree, right? So I'm going to step over. Hibiscus, look at that, y'all. Anything you want to plant, right? You can try. Maybe you will be successful where someone else wasn't. So I had to let you all see that it's possible on a continent for our folks that like to plant and get land, or if you're a first timer, it's possible. This sister said that her father started this just so the family could take their food from the dirt to the bag. Okay, we say from the farm to the table, but it is just beautiful. When I tell you amazing, look at this. Look what hands can do. There are local Gambian people that are employed here, and they keep this garden running. Here's the garden. Here's the nana we all buy for $5, which grows wild pretty much. But they just have some beautiful things. When I think about all the nourishment in this soil, I get very excited. I'm actually going to be buying some salad to take home. I just saw some beautiful combinations. Look at the aubergine, eggplant. You see that growing? They're coming up. They got a couple of trees here. Looks like citrus trees as well. But I'm going to make sure I get this amazing salad. And once I get my salad, I will take a picture of it so you all could see how I'm nourishing my body. I'm so excited. I made it here. It was a bit of a journey. I took a couple of pictures. I thought I was lost at first. But I made it. Y'all know how I do. I make getting lost fun. So they even have some, it looks like, is this a coconut tree or a palm?
Yeah.
Up here? See the tree here. This is the sign. So y'all know what it looks like when you enter. Very nice. It says the green yard. It's made with rope. Very creative. Green yard. They look like they have some things here.
Okay.
Okay, the rocket salad.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some salad before I go. They're showing me the salad. And is this, do you all prepare in here? Look like some potatoes. Look at this, y'all. Tomatoes, cauliflower. Is this a white eggplant?
Yeah.
White eggplant, green peppers. Look, this looks like peanut butter. Look how cute. Oh, yes, I'm going to have to get some peanut butter. They got some palm oil. It looks like a little area here where they do some preparation. It really just, it's beautiful. Look at this. And I think that this may be the man that got this all started in the community. And the sister is sure to share. Oh, they're beautifully prepared. Look how cute this peanut butter is, y'all. Y'all know I'm going to have to buy some. Isn't that cute? And they have some salt and some other little items. This is the flyer for the green yard. Here's the number in case y'all didn't get it when I talked about it. Check out the podcast for the interview. They even have where they dried some of the herbs for seasoning. How amazing. Look at that. And it smells delicious. I wish you all could smell what I'm smelling right now. It's amazing. Rosemary, thyme. I'm seeing some cloves. I actually need cloves, so I'm going to buy this one. I need some cloves. This looks like some kind of, I think this is cinnamon. This is really amazing. Look at this. It smells so good. So these are the seasonings, and she's showing me some things in the freezer. What is this? Is this juice?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So remember the sister was telling us that she makes the juice? I think these are the juices that she makes as well. Quite a selection, family. So it's almost like a little house here where they do their preparation. The sister's leading me to another freezer where they have more. Okay, so the fresh wanjo that came from the dirt is cleaned and made into juice, so you all can have fresh items. Very nice. Hold that for me. I want that with my salad. You have? Did you get? Oh my goodness! Look, they got strawberries. I know she told me they tried to grow strawberries, but they weren't successful. So these must be from the last time. So you know you can make a wicked smoothie with some frozen strawberries, right? Oh look, and they have their prices. The prices are very reasonable. Do you cook here as well? You cook food? Oh, because I see grilled eggplant, so I'm assuming you all cook. Look at this. They even have like a little cafe where you can eat. The prices are very reasonable. You get fresh fruit. They have sweet potato leaves, bee sap juice that we know is sorrel. There's a price list. Very reasonable. Okay, so the eggplant is grilled, and then you are able to purchase it frozen. Isn't that amazing? Fresh eggplant. Nice. Very nice. Yes. So I'm just going to take you all out to the garden. I'm going to buy my salad, and we go. Oh, look, I forgot the garlic. I'm going to get some garlic and some onions, and after I buy my stuff, I'm going to let you all see. All right, back real quick, because the ladies brought it to my attention that I missed this side of the garden. I didn't realize that it went all the way around. You all remember, I was down at this other end here, but there's a whole nother section. So it goes like around this structure. Let me make it smaller so you all can see. So this house, the garden starts there. It goes around this big structure here, all the way to the back. And remember, I was back there where those clothes are, but I stopped there. I didn't realize that it came over here. And they have their own water tank. And again, I'm going to show you what I end up purchasing. Okay, family. So this is what I got so far. Got these beautiful tomatoes. They're like sugar sweet. I ate one. Fresh cloves. Look at the peanut butter. Do y'all know that their peanut butter is only 70 $? Stop playing with me. And you get this beautiful jar. This decorative jar. Yeah, so you know I bought two. I really would have bought all of them, but I got to carry it. Of course, I choose to go shopping when I didn't plan to, but very reasonable prices. We got the onions, we got the garlic. Y'all, so all right, y'all. So here's my salad. I'm waiting for my spinach now. So the sister is picking my salad, y'all. All right, family, so this is my amazing salad that I'm about to carry home. Don't be jealous, and don't come for dinner because I'm not sharing. But you all get to see. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. It's beautiful. Straight from the dirt. Straight from the dirt to your... All right, family, from the dirt to the bag. Come get your salad from the green yard. Blessings.